Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a Snapchat link to Facebook. Without further ado, let's get started. First, we're going to need to know our Snapchat username, so to do that, let's just go ahead and open up our Snapchat application right here. Click on your Snapchat Bitmoji at the top left corner. And from here, you should be immediately seeing your username right below your display name. So this is my username right here. Now that I have known that, let's just go home and go to our Facebook app. And from the home page or from any other page, we need to be at the menu page. So click on the menu icon at the bottom right-hand corner right here. And click on see your profile so that we get to our profile and edit it. So just click on edit profile right here. Scroll down all the way down, and in line with the link section, you should be able to see the edit options. So click on that, and let's click on the add a social link option right here. Let's click on platform and click on Snapchat. So what we're going to do is to input our username right here. So this is the username that I have on Snapchat. So just double check the spelling to have it right. Click on done, and that should be able to be added like that. And just click on save, and we'll see it later on in our profile. Let's go back to the page, and as you can see, your Snapchat username or Snapchat account should be able to be seen from your Facebook account. So that is how you can basically add Snapchat link to Facebook. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.